Welcome everyone. So Bitcoin has been going up since we reached the 200 EMA, and in this video we're gonna analyze and try to see if that is the bottom or not. It's gonna be a quite short video. I have been coming the last days because I still have this flu. As you can hear, my voice is still hurt by the flu, but I still here and want to give this update because it's really interesting what is happening right now in the Bitcoin price. We see how we took this 200 EMA as a base to continue going up. The big question is this impulse to continue to the upside, or we just gonna bounce, as I was mentioning to you, to the 70 and then continue going down? We're going to observe that in the next weeks with what the daily already say to us. So for that, we're going to go to the daily chart right here. And you see how nice. We finally lost the strain in the Fortuna line right here. And the time is already good for start making a green valley. But keep that in mind as well, guys. I had been saying already since we were at the 60 that we're gonna have this bounce, and also that I was buying here already because we don't know 100% if we're gonna go to the 40s or 50s, but we do know that this area here is super cheap. The 60s is super cheap, and we have the support from last time. And with no break this time. I mean, we went to the 59 and chances to go lower was higher, but I always say take a look to the Fortuna line, because if we lose the strength, that it means we're going to continue having a bounce, maybe to the 70 in the weekly. And in the daily, we can see how nicely we have been going up. Now we're finding the resistance right now around the 66. And don't expect right now that everything just gonna go up and up and up and up and up and up. We gonna still see all these consolidations like usually Bitcoin do it. And remember, guys, there's still here you can buy some when we see a little bit retracement. I'm gonna go to the 4-hour chart, and there we're gonna see which kind of retracement we can expect on Bitcoin. But this area is still going to be important to buy if you want to enter in future or even in the daily. But once we approach in the 70, guys, this is a big no. This is a big no. We maybe go even higher, and then we're going to go down. Only if we grab the orange light as a support, then we know we're going to continue going up. So if you want to know that and have the indicators as I have it right now in my screen, go to the description below. I have a link there where I explain everything completely for free, all the indicators that you can use in order to follow and have a bit of sense of what the Bitcoin price is going to do next. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like. I would really appreciate that. It will help as well the algorithm to share all this information completely for free. So that being said, guys, just keep in mind that we may have a little retraced, and potentially I do see the Bitcoin price in the daily to go to reach the 70s. Even we could go a little bit higher, but don't get too excited. Don't get too excited because this trend is still now is a negative direction. So that means it won't be so much strain on it. And the volume, you can see, look all the volume of this selling out, and look the volume how we're going up. Let's see, that can change, of course, but just keep it in mind. And now if you want to be trading futures, I'm going to show you what to expect in the next days. Remember, this is to 24 to 48 hours. As you can see, time is running out. Fortuna line still have a little strain, but yesterday we have for a moment, we have just like a strain line. So what I'm expecting from here, sorry guys, what I'm expecting for that, wait, I need to drink a little water. What I'm expecting for here in the 4-hour chart. So we're expecting here is the following. We're going to do the pattern we always know, the A, B, and C continuation pattern. So expect the Bitcoin price, the area when I want to enter to a trade, and if you want to enter as well, you can enter with me, but remember, this is not financial advice. First, I would wait the Bitcoin price to go lower, to go to 64, 63 area, and this even it is, you can see here the puck. This one is the puck area, and here is the area where we want to enter. I mean, even here around this the 64, 63, that's gonna be the area to enter, and then the area to leave the market again is gonna be here. This is the B. You have to see the A, B, and C. And after that, if we're still holding here, we're going to continue going up, which I think we're going to do, because in the daily, as you can see, in the daily, we're still bullish. We're still bullish. We still have plenty of time to make a green valley. The Fortuna line is going slowly down. Well, it's, as I mentioned already, it's just we're not going to have probably a big strength. We're going to take some time, probably, to go to the 70s. But it is possible to go because how the daily looks. So what we want to do is take advantage of this consolidation we're gonna have of the ABC and the market, and there is why we want to enter, guys. If you just want to enter for short term, the A is perfect to get out of the B, and the C is gonna be a perfect entry to ride all the way to the 70s. So keep that in mind, guys. This is the really short update I want to give you on Bitcoin, what I see in the Bitcoin price, and how you can also get some profit off the market, because this is what is going to happen the most likely in the next days to come. So just pay attention to that, and if you think that something different is going to happen to the market, I will be really happy to hear. Just write in the commentary below, and what are you doing? Are you positioning yourself or not? Because I say, for the weekly, guys, you can start buying a very percentage here. I already did. The 60, 60, 65 Bitcoin have done nothing. It's just the same range we have been being before. And everybody who missed this area of the 60, 65 and wanted to buy here at the 80s and buy at the 80s, now they're buying here. I hope you're not that person, guys, because I have not been saying that to you. Every time we go to these levels is the perfect moment to buy. And if we go lower, what does matter? It doesn't really matter, because in the next year to come, next year we're gonna be super bullish. So it doesn't really matter. Just put money. You don't gonna need it in the next years. And if we go here or not, it doesn't really matter. It's just 10,000 difference. You maybe think that's gonna be there is a big difference, but actually not, because we're gonna go even higher than 100k. So that being said, guys, I need to leave you. I can't anymore with my voice. Hopefully you understood a little bit with this voice I have right now, which is not the best, but just wanted to give a small update, guys, because many of you have been asking me what's going on with the market. So this is the last update I wanted to give you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like, and see you next time. Well, actually, if something really urgent happen, I will come even in file like this. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait to get better and then come to you guys. So don't forget to save in Bitcoin, and see you. Ciao, ciao.